Alright, so now we have to move on to the next exercise, that is the B, working with words. ठीक है, अब आपने क्या करना है इनको कि they have given you sentences. ठीक है, they have given you some sentences and you have to pick out the correct word for those sentences. ठीक है, or correct occupation. ठीक है, उन्होंने they have given you some sentences regarding those occupations. So you have to find out the correct one, correct word and write it down in the blanks. ठीक है, let's read this first one. Question क्या है? Do you know the names for the following? A person who keeps accounts for a business is called an accountant. ठीक है, तो आप क्या लिख दो कि accountant in the blank. A person who reads out information on radio or television, newscaster. A person who designs buildings, architect. Yes, architect is the one who designs buildings, right? And D, a person who tells future from the stars is astronomer. A person who is trained for space travel is spaceman. A person who receives and pays out money in a bank is a cashier, right? So this is so easy. You must know all of these, right? What are the correct words for or names for these sentences? A person who prepares and sells medicine is a chemist. Yes. A person who gives special training in games and athletics is known as a coach. ठीक है? So you're gonna write this in the blank. A person who makes and sells gold articles is called as goldsmith. So this is so easy and you must have known this, and learn the exercises side by side and learn all the work that we have done in the copies and in the books exercises, ठीक है, in the workbook exercises, because आते साथ आप लोगों का test होगा, alright? Now the question number 2 is fill in the blanks with missing masculine or feminine names. Masculine क्या होता है? Male से है, and feminine क्या है? Female, right? So आपने क्या करना है? They have given you masculine words here and female here, right? At some point they have written masculine. You have to find out the feminine for that word, for that masculine word, and at some point they have written feminine words, and you have to find out the masculine words. ठीक है? So first of all, here is host, hostess, master, mistress, prince, princess. ठीक है? अब क्या है? Bride उन्होंने feminine में दिए bride, groom, landlady, landlord, niece, nephew, emperor, empress, mayor, mayoress, waiter, waitress, waiter हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Now let's discuss the question number 3 here. A few languages. Do you know where they are spoken? Now they have given you some languages. Okay, they have written down the language, and you have to find out that and you have to find out and write about the correct country. Okay, where that language is spoken. Now Polish, Poland का होता है. ठीक है, POLAND, Poland. Mandarin, चाइना में बोली जाती है. German, Germany. Spanish in Spain. उर्दू पाकिस्तान में. Greek, Greece में. ठीक है? Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is question number 5. ठीक है, fill in the blanks. अब ये भी वैसी एक्सरसाइज है, ठीक है, जो अभी हमने की है, रिसेंटली हमने की है. ठीक है, लैंग्वेजेस के बारे में एग्जाम्पल है आपको. दे हैव गिवन प्रोवाइडेड यू एग्जाम्पल इसलिए दिए बिकॉज यू हैव टू डू द नेक्स्ट ब्लैंक्स exactly like that example. ठीक है, Pakistanis live in Pakistan. Now dash live in Australia, Australians. Greeks live in Greece. Dash live in Israel, Israeli. Iranian live in Iran, and the dash live in Vietnam, Vietnamese. ठीक है, and the dash live in France, French हो जाएगा. ठीक है, French ये ज़ुबान बोली जा रही है. इनको क्या कहते हैं, लोगों को क्या कहते हैं. ठीक है, जो लैंग्वेज हमने पहले डिस्कस कर ली. Alright, so now this is the last exercise, question number 6. Which is which? Write the correct names under the pictures. This exercise is so easy. Rather, all of the exercises were so easy. ठीक है, आपने क्या करना है? They have given you some words. ठीक है, they have given you some of the anagrams of the words to be used. ठीक है, आपने क्या करना है? You have to write down the correct word underneath the image. Now, this one is called a mosquito. This is the bee. This is the butterfly, and this is a dragonfly. ठीक है. And this is the last page of the exercise. This image is known as the beetle, cricket, wasp, locusts, ant, moth, honeybee, tikke, and cockroach. So this is so easy. And make sure to write down your exercises with the pencil. Okay, do it with the pencil, and also learn everything that we have done in the books and the workbook exercises and in the copies as well. Okay, so far. So learn all of them daily. All right.